Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 5-minute scalping strategy for forex, stocks, crypto, doesn't matter, and it works on all time frame. Okay, so first you need this indicator called Donchian channel ribbon. Okay, it's this one, Donchian trend ribbon by Lonesome. So the setting is 30. Okay, it's the settings, and then you need a super trend indicator. Super trend by Kevin Osbiljic. Okay, and this is a setting 11 and 2 here. All right, and then you need just 200 EMA. Okay, so it's this moving average exponential 200. All right. Okay, so for buy, basically you want the price to be above 200 EMA, and then you want the Donchian trend ribbon to be red. Okay, and then you have like a super trend buy signal. So this is your buy signal. So why you want to buy when it's red? Basically, the 200 EMA is a long-term trend. Okay, and the Donchian trend ribbon is a medium-term trend. Okay, so when medium trend says bearish and the long-term trend is bullish, it's actually a good area to buy. Okay, this is a good area to buy here. So some people buy here like when everything like bullish. So to me, I don't like buying here because it's too late. Okay, it's too laggy. So you want to buy when it's a retracement. All right, so basically this is your buy signal. Okay, so it's your buy signals. And where is your stop loss? Basically, you wait. So this is your signal, okay? Your signal above 200 EMA and Donchian channel red. So this is your buy signal. And where you put your stop loss is basically you wait. You look back. When is the last time it's the super trend has a sell signal? So it's here. So between here and here, where is the lowest point? So here is the lowest point. So that's our stop loss. Just few pips below that. Okay, so your target is 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. All right. Okay, so this is your this is your entry, and then we have another signal here. Okay, so Donchian channel red and price above 200 EMA, and you have a buy here. So okay, so this is your buy signal. So where is our stop loss? Okay, so this is the signal. So when is the last time super trend has a sell signal? Here. So between here and here, where is the lowest point? So it's here. So that's where your stop loss is. All right, so it's very easy. Okay, so you target 1 to 2, right? Or 1 to 1.5. Okay. Okay, so for sell, it's the opposite. So you want the price to be below 200 EMA and the Donchian channel to be green. And when you have those, you wait for the super trend signal. So it's here. Okay, so this is a sell signal. So where is our stop loss? So this is our signal, and where is the last time? When is the last time you have a buy super trend? So it's here. So between here and your signal, where is the highest point? So it's here. Okay, so that's your stop loss is. All right, so just slightly above that. So you target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. Okay, 1 to 2. Okay, so yeah, we got that, I think. Oh yeah, we got that. And then we have another signal here. So obviously I'm cherry picking here. You're not gonna win every time. All right. Okay, so sell signal here. So where is our stop loss? So between here and here. Okay, so where is the highest point? It's this. So you target 1 to 2. All right, so that's it. So if you have any question, just comment down below. I'll answer every question. All right.